Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are celebrating hitting 100 subscribers. I'm so excited and so thankful. Thank you guys all so much for subscribing to the channel and just being so supportive, leaving those wonderful comments, and just honestly becoming my friends. So today, as a celebratory kind of thing, I decided I wanted to do a giveaway. This giveaway is not international, it is US only, so I'm sorry for my international viewers, but I have great things here, and I'm just really excited, really scatterbrained, and I guess let's go ahead and get into the giveaway. Before we do though, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and click that notification bell icon to be notified every single time I upload. I upload 2 videos a week, one on Monday and one on Friday, so you don't want to miss out. Also, I will be giving the rules for the giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Alice is right here, by the way, so if you guys hear any noise, just Alice. What are you chewing on anything? Okay, cool. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the very first thing, so this giveaway was kind of inspired as a kind of an inside joke to my subscribers. You will see things here, and this will be at the end too. You will see things that have a little tidbit if you're a subscriber of mine and have seen every single video. I pulled things that you can see in other videos that I've used, that I like, little bits and bobbles that I thought that you guys would find funny and also find useful. So at the end, to also, I guess I'll get into this now, but also to enter, you have to leave a comment on the videos that you see this item in, and you have to write what the item is in my giveaway. So say it's a book, you know, oh, that's the book in your giveaway and you used it for this, or this is when you showed it, or something like that. So that is what you have, one of the ways you can enter my giveaway. I'll get all into the specifics at the end of the video though. So let's get into it. The very first thing I have here is this. So this is a little strainer. It is black, it's super cute, it's very small as you can see, and it also has 2 cute little handles. I thought it was really farm inspired and very cute. You can put either decorative fruit in here, like you can put like apples or oranges and make it a cute little thing on your kitchen table, or you can use it functionally and put pasta or whatever you need to drain in this. I just thought it was super cute. I liked the black. I thought it was very, you know, Hearth and Hand, is that the brand? Just very form steady. So I really liked this one, and so that's what I got. The next item is a vase. So if you're a subscriber, you have seen this video and you know. So you have to leave a comment on that video to do it. But it's a black vase, and if you look up real close, it has bumblebees on it. It has this beautiful kind of texture, honeycomb texture to it. It is glass, as you can see, and it's just a beautiful, you can see the bottom of it, and then it just looks like that in the middle. It's pretty big. I just thought it'd be cute for flowers or something along with the black strainer. And then I thought it was funny because it had the bumblebee on it. So if you go find that video, leave that comment. The next thing I'm going to give you guys is a pack of washcloths. I do cleaning videos on this channel. I love to do those videos, and so I wanted to give you guys some washcloths as a present. This is the only item you don't have to click on another video. I use washcloths all the time. I don't use specific ones except Norwex. I love those, but you can just not comment on this one. But yeah, the next item is a lint roller, and again, if you're a subscriber, you know what I use this for, and so go ahead and make a comment on the video of what I use this for. The next item is something that's actually not on YouTube, but you can find it on my Instagram. So go ahead and leave a comment on my Instagram post about this product, and it's not the exact same product, so just be aware of that. But I got you guys a galvanized tray with 2 little rope handles. I thought that was so cute. So how I'm going to kind of just show it is you can do something like this and have it be really cute on your kitchen table, on your kitchen island, on your countertops, or you could just use it as like a breakfast in bed kind of thing. It's a really cute thing, and if you find that post on my Instagram, leave a comment about it and let me know what you would use this tray for. Alright, time for the main event. The main event. And I do have an Instagram post about this, and I will be having a review on this product in a little bit. But for all of those women and men who didn't get it, I got a Bluetooth speaker. This is a blue retro speaker from Target, and I have mine right back there. So I'm very, 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 very excited about this product. I saw it at Target and I was like, no, I won't buy it because I have one. But then I was like, you know what? Somebody's gonna want this in my giveaway. So I picked one up. It's in the blue color. It's super cute, super retro, and it works really well. The review will be up soon, so look forward to that. But that concludes the giveaway. Now on to how to enter. Number 1, you have to be subscribed to me. Number 2 is you have to leave a comment on this video letting me know what you want to use all these items for. Number 3, you have to follow me on Instagram. And number 4, like I said, it's kind of like a little scavenger hunt. So go back through my videos, find the items, and leave a comment saying, hey, da-da-da, this is that product, or something like that. With all those entries, you also have a opportunity for a bonus entry if you use my code for ColourPop. So if you want to make a ColourPop order, you have to use my code and then screenshot it, send it to me, and I will link the code down below, but I will also add you as an extra entry in my giveaway. So I think that concludes all of this. Also, you have to like this video to be entered into the giveaway. I hope you guys liked this. I'm so excited to keep climbing with all of you, and thank you guys so much. It has been such a fun time. I love meeting you guys on the internet, and it has just been such a positive, fun experience, and we can only go up. So I'll see you guys in my next one.